You must be curious how to make this text reveal animation. In this video, we will teach you how to create a text reveal animation in Wondershare Filmora. Hey everyone, welcome to Filmora MVP channel. Here, we teach you editing tricks, filmmaking, and camera techniques. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and also hit the notification bell to get the latest updates. So let's get started. Before we start editing, click the download link in the description box. Click on the free download option. Now, a Filmora installer is downloaded automatically. Just double-click on it, agree with the terms, and here you go. Filmora started to download and install. Once it's installed, it'll start and run automatically. Let's import the footage. Drag the footage to the timeline. Here we choose a skating footage that the motion is perfect for creating text revealing effect. Place the playhead where you want to start the text reveal animation. Now go to Titles tab. Drag Basic Title to the second layer. Right-click and go to Edit Properties. Change the text and replace current font with any bold font you like. Here we choose Unisens Bold. If you would like to put more to your text, you can open the word art to find something you like. After you're done, move the text according to your subject. Now copy the footage layer. Lock both the layers and paste it on the third layer. Next step is adding mask. Place the playhead where the text starts. Right-click and go to Edit Properties. Here we can see the Mask tab on the panel. Open it and select Single Line. Once it shows more parameters underneath, let's change rotation to -180 degrees. Drag the slider to the end of the text until the text is totally disappeared. Right here, we change the blur strength to 1%. Last, adding a keyframe to the third clip. Move one frame forward. Drag the x-axis slowly to the left to reveal the text. Again, move one frame forward. Drag the x-axis slowly to the left to reveal the text. Do this until all the characters is revealed. Now render this. Let's see the preview. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, then give this video a thumbs up. Plus, subscribe to this channel and also hit the bell icon. But don't leave without sharing this video and leave your comment below. Bye!